Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Etsy listings using Etsy Seller Dashboard, beginner guide step by step clearly. Log into your Etsy seller account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Shop Manager located at the top right corner of the page. In the Shop Manager, select Listings from the menu on the left side. You will see a list of your current listings displayed on the main screen. Identify the listing you wish to update. Click on the pencil icon next to that listing to enter the edit. This will take you to the listing details page. Here, you can edit various aspects of your listing, such as the title, description, and images. To update the title, click in the title box and make your changes. For the description, scroll down to the description section and modify the text as necessary. If you want to change your product images, find the Images section and click Add a photo to upload new images. You can also rearrange the image order by dragging and dropping them as needed. Next, review the pricing section to make adjustments if required. Enter the new price in the appropriate box. If you are changing the quantity available, update the quantity field as well. Scroll down to the Tags section to add or remove keywords that describe your item. This can help improve the visibility of your listing in search results. After making all necessary changes, look for the Publish button at the bottom of the page. Click Publish to save your updates. A confirmation message will appear, indicating that your listing has been successfully updated. You can return to the Listings page to see your updated listing. Repeat the process for any additional listings you wish to modify. Make sure to review all changes thoroughly before publishing. Your updated listings will now reflect the changes you've made. Check back frequently to ensure your listings remain current and appealing. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.